Hi English students, welcome to your academic word of the day. Today's word we have persist. Persist has two syllables, persist, persist. Once more, persist, persist. Okay, the accent is placed basically on the second syllable and the I, persist. Your turn to pronounce it. Did you pronounce it as persist? Good job. Not persist, but persist. What part of speech are we using it? As a verb. For both accounts, both definitions, we use them as a verb. In Spanish, persist means persistir o insistir. Let's go over the familiar words. Persisted is an adjective. Persistence, used as a noun. Persistent, used as an adjective. Persistently, used as an adverb. Synonyms, we have endure or endure, persevere, strive. Endure, persevere, strive. Antonyms, cease, quit. Cease and quit. Let's go over the first definition. Persist, verb, means to continue to do something despite difficulties or opposition in a way that can seem unreasonable. To continue to do something. Even though it seems unreasonable, you still keep on doing it. You go on with it. And this is the example. In Melville's short story, Bartleby, the scrivener, the title character, meaning Bartleby, would persist in refusing to do any work. So the story goes that a lawyer hired two scriveners to handwrite legal documents. And the business was doing so good that he needed a third one to come in and do the work. So he hired Bartleby because of his demeanor, because of his personality. He was very calm. So he thought that this would be a good mix for the other workers who were like pretty much active all day and all over the place. As time went by, Bartleby was one day asked to do a specific task. And his response was, I'd rather not. Or I would prefer not to. I would prefer not to. And that kind of became his logo from there on. So every time that he was asked to do something, that would be his habit, his continuous response. I would prefer not to. The story keeps on going, and the more and more it develops, the less work that he persists on not doing. He refused to do it, despite the people try to reason with him and ask him why. He persisted. Second definition of persist, used as a verb as well, means to continue to exist. To continue to exist, in this case existence, to be, being alive. Scientists believe the only living things that will persist after a nuclear catastrophe are cockroaches and mice. Okay, the only things that scientists believe that will persist, continue to live after a nuclear catastrophe are roaches, cockroaches, and mice. Right? They've been believed to be roaming the earth for millions of years, and they will still be here long after we are gone. That, at least, is what the belief is. Okay? They will persist to continue to exist, despite of the circumstances. Alright, English students, this has been your academic word for today. Again, your word has been persist. Make sure that when you are writing it in your own original sentence, you're using it as a verb. Create your own visual and copy the sentence of the day. Have a great time studying your flashcards.